Yesterday I talked about getting your perception right, and the basic gist of it was that everything is actually good for you. You just don't see how, okay? It's very hard as people to see the big picture. In fact, we live in the present. As much as we can simulate to the future, I don't want to get into that. We live in the present. You gotta trust that there's a subconscious faculty within you that has your best interest at heart as long as you are aware of that. And that knowingness, that infinite intelligence is guiding you, and it sees the big picture. All you have to do is keep your goal in front of you, okay? But today I want to help you really cement that kind of thinking in, okay? We talked about how perception is everything is good for you as long as you're doing the right things, okay? Small caveat. And what that means is that I want to talk about variance, okay? In poker, variance is a big deal. And the easiest way to explain it is like this. Say you have a coin and it's a coin flip. If you flip a coin 10 times, and usually a coin flip is 50-50. But a lot of times you flip a coin 10 times, you'll get 7 times head, 3 times tails. Or you'll get 6 times tails, 4 times heads. You do that 20 times, still 60-40, 70-30. Maybe you'll get 9 heads, 1 tails. But you do it over 100, you get a little closer. Maybe now it's 55-45. You do it over 1,000, it's even closer to 50-50. You do it 100,000 times, you're right on 50-50, okay? That's what's called variance, okay? And it's a very big deal when you're trying to get your perception right, because you want to remember that it's not what you're doing right now, it's the fact that you're doing the right things over and over and over again. And that's why I love John Wooden's definition of success, the direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing you put in the best effort to become the best that you can be. By doing that over and over, the score takes care of itself. But maybe right now something bad will happen. That's just luck. That's variance. And in the short term, you might not have a 50-50 coin flip. In the long term, though, the odds even out. So if good behavior is 70-30, that means you're going to win 70 cents on average each bet and lose 30. So take that bet. 70 is more than 30. But over the long run, guys, this is why you do habit of doing more than you're paid for. This is why you want to be a good person. This is why you form good habits. And this is why you work hard, trusting that this will work out. That's variance for you, okay? Get your perception right.